So I'm gonna be reviewing this product. It was given to me by the brand, and basically this is toilet bowl cleaner. And if you have like the stick, you just stick it on here, use it once, scrub your toilet, and then just throw it in the trash, which is really nice because it doesn't grow bacteria. Because if you get a traditional toilet brush, it grows bacteria and mold, and it just stinks. This is much more sanitary. Just like I said, use it once, you throw it in the trash. And for the price, you get this many. So I definitely would recommend this product. And I'm going to show you guys real quick. I don't have the stick at the moment. It's lost. My bad. But I'm still going to show you guys how well it cleans the toilet. And I'm going to show you right now, actually. So this is how the product looks like up close. I'm not going to be using it on my toilet, but sorry for the camera. It does scrub pretty well. You just have to attach it and you will just scrub it, and yeah, I know your toilet will then be clean. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.